Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to talk about in this video my tax preparation mini course. And this video is part of that mini course that I'm putting together for students who are looking to learn how to prepare income taxes either as a career move or starting their own tax service. And the primary skill set is preparing individual income taxes by acquiring the knowledge and skills to make it happen. And so this mini course is going to give you a taste of this industry to see if this is a good fit for you, if this is something you can wrap your mind around. Can you comprehend the information? Can you read the information and turn around and answer the questions that they give you right behind it and get the answer all at the same time? And so that's the biggest challenge that I have working with my coaching clients because majority of them are brand new. They have no prior training or experience, but they chose this career industry and business model for themselves. And I'm excited to help them be successful and profitable inside their tax preparation service. Because if we provide a service, people come to us based on the knowledge that we possess and provide that service. And so we want to make sure that you well knowledged in the service that you're trying to provide to your ideal client. And so in this video, this publication 972 is dealing with child tax credit and other dependent credit. And so this mini course is going to cover publication 501, 50, 596, and publication 972. Those are the three publications along with the resources that's going to go along with this course that's going to allow you to prepare very basic, simple tax returns. And if you can do that successfully and understand and comprehend how you got to that conclusion for preparing these taxes, then it's a good chance you're ready to take the next step and take the comprehensive income tax course through my third party vendor that I'm using, where you can get credit for that and acknowledge with that through the IRS system. So if you're looking to make a career in this industry, if you're looking to start your own tax service, my coaching program is designed to make it happen. My coaching program is designed to take all the guesswork out of you getting started. I'm going to walk you through a simple strategy to help you be successful and profitable inside your tax preparation business. The key to your success will not be me. It'll be you taking action on the information I give you. So I have a mentoring coach that's helping me bring my brick and mortar business online and helping me to generate online income from my brick and mortar business as far as tax preparation concerned. But if I don't carry out the information that she give me inside of our weekly trainings, then I won't get the results I'm looking to get inside my own business. So the key to your success is going you will be you taking action on the information that I'm going to give you that's going to help you be successful inside your own business. So this publication, again, like I said, dealing with child tax credit and other dependent credits, along with the other two publications that makes up this tax preparation mini course. And so this here course is going to be on a couple of my platforms that I sell from. And so if you're interested in attending a live workshop, right now this course is going to be $47. But I'm going to give out a special coupon for $10 off, which will make it $37. So if I can get at least 5 students who are going to pay for this course in advance, that's going to show me that they want to attend a live workshop and learn live how to prepare a simple basic tax return and move hopefully forward to the next steps. Then inside the video of my YouTube channel, just leave a comment. Let me know you're interested in the live workshop, and I will leave a link inside this description of the video where you can go to my page and you can submit your email address where I can send you back the coupon code for $10 off the $47 price point that it is right now. And so when it's all said and done, we're in the fourth quarter where everybody's getting ready for the upcoming tax season, who works in the tax preparation industry for on different levels and on different assignments, on different categories. And so my job and my goal with my coaching program is to help individuals, especially women who want to start their own tax preparation service, get started. And so this here video is part of my tax preparation mini course. And if you want to learn more about my coaching program in general, I always give you permission to reach out to me. That's why I leave all my contact information inside all my videos on my YouTube channel. So you can text me, call me, email me, or leave a comment. The choice is yours. And we can definitely uh, meet one another, see if we're a good fit for work with one another, and see if I can help you uh, get your business up and running and off the ground and help you generate some type of revenue inside your business for the upcoming tax season, which starts in January 2022. And I'll see you in my next video.